I'm traveling around the world with a strong yet simple message. Let all of us contribute to a better future. And the future awaits us behind these doors of the Audi site called Böllinger Höfe. The birthplace of the most desirable car of our time, the electric-powered Audi e-tron GT. This factory is a demonstration of how high performance and sustainability come together to create the first fully electric Audi to be built in Germany. And that series production could be started on time, despite the corona pandemic, is the result of pooled competences and outstanding teamwork. This production site is the perfect blend of smart factory and precise craftsmanship. The e-tron GT is produced using high-tech tools, but the final touches are added by hand with great care. The best quality, high performance, and the attention to detail have always been distinctive features of this place. The Audi R8 has been built here since 2014. Now, with the e-tron GT, the two most powerful and fastest series production Audi models of all time are manufactured here. This is not just a factory. And the Audi e-tron GT is not just another car. It is the next step towards a more sustainable tomorrow. We will shape the future for good.